che qua. Howlin', 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 oh, you my like hella. Days rock out by 8. Clem says 6 in the morning. Connor says I hate you. Clem laughs, get in the boat, man. Sun coming up on the horizon, cool wind blowing through the bay. 9 mates packed into a fishing boat, heading out to sea today. Clem's already got his rod out, says he knows the perfect spot. Nathan brought 3 different tackle boxes, for reasons no one thought to ask. Harlow opens up a container. Connor looks inside. Connor says, are those kebabs? Fishing bait. Connor said, Harlow, no. Harlow says, trust me. Marcus brought some taco meat, says the fish will love the spice. Minnie brought a bucket full of chicken. Gabby says, that's not for the fish. Minnie says, obviously. Daniel's trying to untangle 7 fishing lines at once. Nobody knows how he managed it. They haven't even started fishing yet. Daniel says, okay, nobody move. Nathan says, I'm not moving. Daniel says, you're standing on the line. Nathan looks down. Oh, ocean breeze rolling underneath the morning sun. Lines in the water, they've just begun. Ocean breeze, let the current take us slow. Good mates on the water and nowhere else to go. Cast it out, let it fall. Maybe we won't catch a thing at all, but with the ocean underneath us, we don't really care at all. Connor plays the light saxophone. Clem feels something on his fishing line. Clem says, oh, I've got one. Everybody turns and laughs and says, how big? Clem says, massive. Nathan immediately grabs his rod. Nathan says, not for long. Connor says, oh no. Marco's cast, Daniel tries to cast. Something crashed. Sorry. Suddenly the peaceful morning turns into fishing war. Everyone wants the biggest catch, except Connor, who's playing saxophone. Causing bees, now everybody's losing their minds. Rods getting tangled, crossing every line. Ocean breeze, Nathan's yelling from the boat. Clem says he's got another, and Hallow's lost his kebab now. Cast it left, cast it right. Daniel somehow caught the boat twice. What began as peaceful fishing is back in Nader's paradise.